Say when.
Yep. Green light comes on.
So now you can do that for 2 hours or 3 hours, whatever. Then when you take the green light, well, you could try pressing the on button whilst it's on, nothing. But when you pull that out, try turning it on, nothing. Now the only way into this, as far as I can see, is that's obviously for the press the on button, nothing lights up. I can see that there are some screws. 4 screws there, and there, but I don't think that a user should have to go into that to be replacing rechargeable batteries, which, as far as I can see, there's no mention of them anywhere.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
you know, if you press on,
Nothing there.
it's completely dead. It did work. We had it running for 45 minutes and then left it, came back to it, thought it needed charging, popped it on charge for 2 hours. I think it might actually have been an hour. Nothing, put it on for 2 hours, nothing, and that's that.
Okay, thank you.